Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start with the essentials. Confirm you have admin or user management access on the GTM account and locate the container ID. Once signed in, open the correct account and then the container you'll modify. Make sure you're in the desired workspace. Workspaces prevent conflicts. If you don't have access, request it from an admin now. Next, click the gear icon labeled Admin in the left column and prepare to add a new user under the account or container level. You'll now add the user. Open Admin and pick Account or Container User Management depending on scope. Click the plus button and select Add Users. Type the person's Google email address. Next, assign permissions. Choose Read for view only, Edit to change tags, Approve for approvals, Publish to push changes, or Admin for full control. Make sure to toggle any container-specific permissions if you chose account level. Once roles are selected, add a helpful note and click Invite to send access immediately. Finish by having the recipient accept the invite through their Google account, then verify they appear in the GTM user list. Once they're listed, ask them to preview the container or create a simple test tag to confirm permissions work as intended. If they can't access anything, make sure the invite was accepted, check you granted the correct role, and confirm you used the right email address. If problems persist, revoke and rescind the invite or temporarily grant admin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.